Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you work from home, you might be missing out on serious tax deductions. Let me break down exactly how to claim your home office in 2026. Step 1. Determine if you qualify. You need a dedicated space used regularly and exclusively for business. It doesn't have to be a whole room, but it can't be shared with personal activities. This is the foundation for everything that follows. Step 2. Choose your deduction method. The IRS gives you two options. The simplified method lets you deduct $5 per square foot up to 300 square feet, capped at $1,500 per year. The regular method requires tracking actual expenses, which can save you more money if your home office is large. Step 3. Calculate your home expenses. Track mortgage interest or rent, property taxes, utilities, internet, phone, insurance, repairs, and maintenance. Only claim the percentage that applies to your office space. If your office is 200 square feet and your home is 2,000 square feet, that's 10%. Step 4. Gather your documentation. Keep receipts, invoices, utility bills, and mortgage statements organized. Take photos of your workspace showing it's dedicated to business. The IRS loves documentation, and you'll need it if you get audited. Step 5. File your deduction properly. Use Form 8829 for the regular method or just claim the simplified amount on your Schedule C. Make sure everything matches your records and stay consistent year to year. Getting this right means real money back.